So a few days ago, my friend dropped my computer. I was very upset because the MacBook Retina screens are very expensive. This is a 13-inch MacBook Retina. And I went online, I went on eBay, I went to Amazon, and I was looking for the screen. The screen looks like it runs between $300 to $400. It can even be more in some other websites. So I was scratching my head because I have some important stuff on this computer that I wanted to retrieve, and so I said to myself, what shall I do? So I started playing around with the screen. I don't have an external monitor, so I needed to get some data off the computer, so I had to find a way to resolve it. And this screen, I could not find this screen locally. It was online and it was very expensive. So I continued playing around with the screen, and then I said, wait, the screen is not actually broken, it's just showing some lines. So I started playing around with the screen, and I put my right hand on the right side of the screen, and then I put my left hand on the left side of the screen, and then I twisted a little bit, and I was able to get an image. So I said to myself, well, okay, so I don't have to spend $400 for a new screen. So if you're experiencing this is just a temporary fix, but if you're experiencing this issue and you have a Retina MacBook 13-inch, I don't know if this will work on the 15-inch, but it worked on the 13-inch. So if you're having vertical lines on the screen, maybe you drop the computer, or maybe something else happened and you have vertical lines that look like they're going up and down, try this. Just put your hand on the right side of the screen and another hand on the left, and just twist a little bit. Or you can try to put your hand at the top on the top right and bottom left, and just try and twist until you get an image. This is not a permanent fix, but at least I'm able to navigate. I can go to the internet. I can be able to retrieve my data from this computer. So I hope this has been helpful to you. If this has been helpful to you at all, please consider subscribing to the channel, like and share the video. So consider subscribing, like, share the video. Thank you for watching.